Imagine walking across a quiet German field at night and there's a sealed door to the past right beneath your feet. That's the mystery archaeologists just stumbled on. An underground vault, hidden for ages, mapped by scanners, and still locked tight. No treasure chest glow, no dramatic trapdoor, just a silent shape under the soil. Clean lines, solid walls, and zero answers. Here's what we know. Scientists swept the area with high-tech surveys, the kind that turns dirt into X-ray. Out popped a perfect underground chamber. No windows, one entrance, built like whoever made it meant business. Why is it there? Maybe medieval cold storage, maybe a ritual room, maybe a wartime stash that someone quietly forgot. But here's the weird part. There's almost nothing on the surface. No ruins, no foundation stones, no, hey, we lived here stuff. If you've ever opened an old attic box and felt that thump of time, this is that, but buried, sealed, and scaled up. To what were they hiding? The plan now? Careful excavation. If they rush it, they could wreck whatever clues are inside. Wood grains, soot seeds, even tiny metal scraps that shout out dates and stories. Picture the first light slipping in after centuries. Dust hanging, a floor print, a tool mark in stone. That's the moment I live for. And if the vault's empty, that's still loud. Empty rooms can be warnings or decoys or waiting rooms between bigger secrets. So, what's your bet? Storage, sanctuary, or something no one's guessed yet? Drop it in the comments. When the door opens, I'll be here with the update. Until then, remember, the past isn't gone. It's just underground, being patient.